Hello viewers, this is Not Too Fast here. In today's video I will show you how to replace the in-cabin filter on a Ford F150. This video will apply to current models starting in 2015. Now the filter replacement does require a couple of tools, but it's not too difficult, so let's get started and I'll show you how. The in-cabin air filter is behind this glove box right here. So first thing is open this up and go ahead and empty anything in the glove box. Next there's a damper you need to remove. What you want to do is pull this damper towards the back and then pull this out. On the left side of the glove box, push this in and the glove box will drop down. Remove this rubber trim. Now there's a panel here you need to remove. Use a plastic pry bar and stick it underneath. Just go along the bottom edge. Here's a look at the back. You see the clips right here. There are two 7mm bolts you need to remove. Use a ratchet to remove those. Now pull this piece out. Now be careful, there's a switch right here. So we'll just drop this onto the side. Let me show you where the air filter is. If you look behind, there's a door right here. If you remove this door, the air filter sits behind this. There's a latch on each side. Pull on the latch. Door comes out. Here's the air filter. On the left side is the old filter. As you can see, it's a bit dirty. And on the right is a new filter. This one is FRAM, Fresh Breeze. The number is CF12150. This one will fit this vehicle. Here's a side-by-side look. On this vehicle, the airflow is from top to bottom. If you look on the filter, there's an arrow here showing you the airflow. Install the new filter. Put this cover back on. And then put everything back in reverse order. Put this piece back in. Reinstall the two screws. Here are the two screws. Reinstall the panel. Push in the side tab and reinstall the glove box. Reinstall the damper. Don't forget this piece. And that's it. As you can see, replacing the in-cabin filter on this Ford F150 is very simple. If you own one of these trucks, I hope you found this video to be helpful. All the parts and tools used in this video will be listed in the description below. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, remember to click on a thumbs up. And if you're not already subscribed, please click on the subscribe button to support this channel. Also click on the notification bell so you'll get notified of my new videos. Thank you and have an awesome day.